Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default dictionary on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Language and Dictionaries. Then select Dictionaries. Tap the language that you would like to change the default dictionary for, in this case English. When you select your Kindle's language and region, it will select the default dictionary for that language. In my case, this was the Oxford Dictionary of English. However, if I would like to change to the new Oxford American Dictionary, for example, I can select that and tap OK to switch to it. If you would like to change to a different dictionary than the defaults provided, you can download additional dictionaries. To do this, tap the X in the top right to go back to the Kindle homepage, and then tap Library from the bottom right. Scroll to the bottom of the library and select Dictionaries. Here you can see the selection of dictionaries available to you. Tap on a dictionary to download it. I downloaded Merriam-Webster's Advanced Learners Dictionary. You can download dictionaries to use when you are reading books in different languages. For example, I downloaded the Oxford English to German Dictionary, which would be good to use if you were a German speaker learning English. If you have that dictionary selected, then when you tap on an English word, it will give you the translation to German as well as the definition. I also downloaded the Oxford Spanish to English Dictionary. That way, if I read books in Spanish, I can tap a word to translate and define it in Spanish. When your dictionary has downloaded, go back to the dictionary settings by tapping the three dots button in the top right. Selecting Settings from the menu. Tapping Languages and Dictionaries and choosing Dictionaries. Tap English. I can now choose the Merriam-Webster's Advanced Learners English Dictionary, or one of the other dictionaries I downloaded. You can see that the Spanish to English dictionary that I downloaded appears here under Dictionaries. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.